vienkārši metās nezināmā iekšā. Kas būs, būs. Man liekas, mums visiem tā jādzīvo.
I'm here representing Contact. It's an organization in Copenhagen, Denmark. Started, I think, about 12 years ago. There was a lot of debate against all the new diversity in Denmark, you know, people coming from abroad. And at that time, at a big theater in Copenhagen called Betty Nansen Theater, the director, he wanted to do something about it, so he invited a lot of young people from different backgrounds to the theater to tell their stories. And it became a kind of win-win situation because they got a forum in a new world and we got stories in the theater we never had before.
I'm here because I like theater and our main themes make theater about what?
About bullying others.
No! About democracy!
I chose the theme about bullying because when I was in school, 6th and 7th grade, in my class was a girl who bullied me and said bad words about me, threw water in my face, and that experience was really hurtful.
Jūs reāli pazemojāt čali?
Ko tu ņemies? Mēs dzīvojam demokrātiskā sistēmā. Man ir vārda brīvība, rīcības brīvība. Es varu darīt to, ko es gribu.
Kāda vēl demokrātija? Tu pats dzirdi, ko tu saki?
I think my story will be really important for others, and they can take my story, for example, for them, and they can do better than me.
Aizvien atvainojies.
Kā?
Nu vienkārši aizvien atvainojies.
Tu labats jādara! Resnī! Maybe those kids who are bullying others, maybe they stop doing that because it's bad.
And understand how feel the people who is bullied.
Šeit top izrāde, kas balstīta uz dalībnieku personīgajiem stāstiem. Šīs projekts no pārējiem, ko es veicu, atšķiras ar to, ka pirmkārt ļoti īsā laikā ir jādabū rādāms rezultāts, publikai rādāms rezultāts. Un arī tēma ir jauniešiem neparasta demokrātija. Ārkārtīgi plaša tēma, zem kuras faktiski pakļūst jebkas.
Tēma – demokrātija. Kurš izpildīs mājas darbus, paceļ roku.
I share my own experience. I have been there when this kid has get the pressure from the teacher. I was not this kid, but in the performance I'm playing this kid who get the pressure.
Lasi. Nu lasi taču!
The kids don't want to be the center of attention and they're really scared. I'm scared too, and I have been in that kind of situation, and now I understand that I can somehow help those kids, and I think with this performance we can do that all together.
Democracy. I can understand it's a very abstract theme for people 16, 17 years old. Very abstract. So we try to make it down to the ground, but young people's way of understanding what democracy is, what it does for them, or doesn't do.
As I said in my first story when I get on the stage, I said I don't really care about it because my life doesn't include it. I can't even be a part because I'm not 18. I think when I get 18, I will still not be into politics, democracy, and those kind of things. Because just like in my story, I just want to live a nice life, walk.
Strādā un fiksāk! Redziet, demokrātija ir labās un sliktās puses.
I am telling a story of me being an employee and being abused about boss because the other person had this idea, and I actually don't have a lot of real life experience because I stay home a lot and just play computer. I hope other young people will feel inspired when they see it, and they will like get some kind of, they will think about what we said. Maybe not agree, maybe agree, whatever they want. Just think about the topic and what do they think about it.
Vērtība ir viņi paši, nevis tas tēls, ko viņi mēģina kādreiz radīt. Jo šeit mēs pie tā ļoti strādājam. Tā viena no prasībām, veidojot izrādi, ir netēlot citus, esi tu. Ar savām domām, ar savu pareizību, nepareizību, esi tu. Demokrātija nodarbojas ar dažādību, viņi mēģina tikt galā ar dažādību. Dažādās sabiedrībās viņiem tas izdodas labāk, citās sliktāk. Tā pilnībā vēl nekad nevienam nav izdevies tikt galā ar dažādību.
I came from a country where democracy is not applied and there is no freedom of press, there is no freedom to express how you feel or demonstration.
Labdien, dāmas un kungi! Mani sauc Jallo, es esmu no Gambijas. Es jau 7 mēnešus dzīvoju Latvijā.
The starting is always difficult, but as it goes on, it will be perfect here.
Stop! Ja jums tiktu dota iespēja kaut ko mainīt savā apkārtējā vidē, vai tā ir pilsēta, vai tā ir valsts, varbūt pat pasaule, kas būtu tas, ko jūs mainītu?
Aiziet vārdi!
Taisnīgums!
If I'm given the opportunity, I will fight for people that are in crisis and like what I'm into now and try to do certain changes that can help the people. Yeah.
Probably I won't save the world, and I won't live in great harmony with myself either. I will live a fine, middle-class life with closed eyes, just like everybody else.
Paldies visiem!